8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you have never made money in Forex trading, then this video is for you. 5 days ago, I made a video about my 30 days Deriv copy trading challenge I'm running, and so far so good. In the same video, I highlighted one of the best strategy providers in the names of Capital 2. So when you reach on this platform, of course you have you can access it on the web browser, or you need to be having this copy trading or C trader application like me. So you go here to copy trading option, then if I go here to copying, it will show all those strategy providers I'm copying. So like these are the strategy providers I'm copying for the last 2 weeks. Okay, like I said, I'm running a 30 days challenge. So this is Capital. So you can see so far he has 14.33, and the other one who usually tries to perform better is this one of OBFX, but Capital 2 has been performing or ranking as the best out of these 5. And I thought that only novice or struggling traders are the ones who copy trades, but even professionals copy their fellow professional traders, more especially if you are like a scalper and someone is a swing trader like Capital 2 who trades gold, then you can as well copy him. And if you want to get the details about Capital 2, okay, you can click on him and this will show up his performance. You can see his copy trading account, the leverage, all-time return on investment. Like me, I am copying him, and if I scroll down, you are going to see the net profit he has made over the last 90 days, right? Not only that, you can see the total trades 75, the winning ones are 72, and only 3 trades. He actually lost only 3 trades out of 75. Okay, and you can see his leverage is 1 to 500, and he trades in dollars. Okay, and the minimum investment you need to be having to copy him is $200, right? And he will charge a performance fee of 25 other than 30. Okay, so not only that, by the way, if I try to show you more about this guy, you can click here on go to strategy. Once you reach there, you click here on description. Long-term hold of gold. Yeah, we recommend you using low spread swap free account for optimal profit. The best thing is you can click on his Telegram group link rather, and you will be redirected to his Telegram group, which I have just done of actually today by the time I was recording this video. Okay, I want to show you something. So this is the guy, right? So let me try to show you. Okay, I also actually contacted him. I said, this is me. Okay, I'm running a copy trading challenge for 30 days, and I'm glad you are leading the game. It gives me confidence to refer to your strategy. Keep winning. Okay, and actually he responded. Okay, this is what he said. Okay, thanks. Okay, and let me show you another thing. Let me show you another professional trader who is actually copying him. Okay, this trader is a professional trader in the names of Guis Lusso. Okay, he says, in fact, copy trading began after. For my part, the importance of being profitable in the long term. Okay, my performance today. Okay, so prop farm 6K funded next. So this Capital 2, the owner of this group, it seems you are more skilled trader. You are a more skilled trader than I am. So I'm curious, why do you follow my strategy? I struggle with passing the prop exam since I'm unable to hold trades due to the many restrictions in prop farms. Then this expert said, I entrusted real money to you because I trust you. and seeing your performance, I understood that you are good. I can't always carry out my operations for a short time available, which is why I chose you for copy trading. Thank you for, now this is the response. Thank you for saying that. I appreciate your support and encouragement. Okay. By the time of asking this, rather making this video, I had also asked a different question, which is a bit detailed. Okay, and you can see the guy has responded there. If you are curious to know what I asked him, you can as well check it here. In the first place, I thought all the investors use the same broker at Deriv, but I was wrong after reading some charts here. Okay, that's what I thought, because I was using Deriv broker, Deriv Seed Trader, but there is also another platform called Seed Trader, which is like trading your MT5 or MT4, that allows different brokers to, you know, trade on such platforms. Okay, so Seed Trader is also a trading platform, and this guy is also there. Okay, working with different brokers. So if you are not using Deriv, but you're also using another broker who is which is on Seed Trader and has copy trading, that means you can find this guy there, Capital 2. So I went on to ask, does it mean if you are a strategy provider on Seed Trader, all brokers with copy trading feature can copy your trades, or you have copy trading accounts for each of those brokers in partnership with the Seed Trader as a trading platform? Okay. So you can see actually he responded, yes, followers from any broker can follow my strategy as it's fully managed by Seed Trader. Please note that weekly profit withdrawals may be challenging due to potential floating losses by the end of the week. If you wish to withdraw, you will need to account for any floating losses at that time. Withdrawing your profits alone poses no issue. However, if you wish to withdraw your capital, this can be problematic as it may result in trades being closed on your account. Alright, so you have known the truth about what I'm doing and the genuineness. You can also try it for yourself. Click the link in the description to get started. Alright, above all, subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Good luck.